Hello everybody, this is Satisfair and welcome to my Minecraft modding with Forge tutorial series. Um, I will show you how to make a Minecraft mod, and everything I've done in the text tutorials I think I will do by video. So, but let's start with actually getting stuff um, for well to set up Eclipse with Forge and everything like that. So the first thing, you want to go to your browser. I think I will put out the links in the description. So first I'll just get the sites up actually. MC Patcher, no, MCP, sorry. And we need one, no, well, I could show you where to get Eclipse as well, I guess. Okay, so the first thing you want to get is of course Eclipse. So you go ahead and choose, I think it's the classic one. um, I'm not really I think it's the classic one. Choose 64-bit if you're a 64-bit user, and 32-bit if you are a 32-bit user. Um, yeah, nothing really more to say about that. You just run it, download it, and run it, and it's quite easy. I won't show that because I already have it installed, as you can see. Next, you want to go to MCP and go down here to releases, and to this link right here. I don't think you will need anything else than this. Well, what am I saying? Well, just get it. Stupid pop-up. Okay, so we just download this. I already have installed it. It is right here, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will download it again. I just put it on my desktop like that, and let's get the Minecraft Forge. You just go to releases. Now you can either do click on that one or that one. I try to use some kind of link, I guess. So I go for the 1.4.7 when I'm doing 1.4.7. You go to the source here and you click add fly, because that will give this guy some kind of some money, and I think why not? It takes 5 extra seconds, but yeah, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will choose the direct one, since it goes faster, I guess. Yeah, just save it on your desktop and you are done. Everything done, and put everything up here. So first we just make a new folder for the MCP. So I'm just go MCP 1.4.7, because this will be for 1.4.7, and just drag the MCP in there and right click, and I don't know what it is. Oh, it's in English it's extract here, and just make it do that. You can delete this one if you want after it. Also, since I'm using Windows, I just like to delete these because they just use space, which, oh god, which isn't really needed when you don't need a .sh files for Windows, so I just like to delete all of those. Next, what you will need is this, of course. You just open it with WinRAR, and don't bother about that. Now just click and drag the Forge folder over into your MCP, and you're done with that. So you don't add anymore. And I'm just gonna empty my bin here. And then just go into Forge and click install.cmd. And this will bring up this, and it takes a little while, so I'm gonna stop recording and wait for this to be done. And yeah, when it's done, I'll see you guys. Okay, so now I'm done with that. It will show you press any button, and you just press any button and it will close on its own. So don't bother about that. So when this is done, you just open your Eclipse. It will take I don't think it will take that much time on my computer. No. Go to Workbench and just switch workspace and choose other and browse. So mine will be in my desktop, of course, and in MCP, and just click on Eclipse, and well, in your MCP folder, and click OK and OK, and it will change the workspace into that one. Okay, so there you go. I don't know what that is, but it always gets up in my PC. Now what I like to do actually is put that one down there, and this one, oh come on, there. Make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so here you have it, all the files and stuff. So we might actually get to put out the main class as well. Yeah, I think so. But there is something different about this, and what I did in the text tutorials, because now I can do packages as I do in my own mods. So what I call, so I first make a package for my mod. So I'm just going to call it seto.tutorial .com. Why not? And the class will be tutorial. Enter that, and here you see there actually is something else I also prefer to do. Click on Window, Preferences, and go to Java, and then I think it's Code Style, Formatter, Edit, and just make it say modified, sorry, line wrapping, and put this to 800, and the same on comments down here, so that it doesn't like make weird coding, and just put everything on one line. Yeah, just save that. So the first thing you will need is at mod ID equals now this is will be for your mod only, so I just gonna go seto tutorial. This won't show anywhere else than inside of the code. Next is the name. This will show up in the mods tab when you click inside the Minecraft, sort of. Um, so, but I will just call it tutorial, since it'll just be a tutorial for you guys, and then version, and this will be your version, of course. So I just put 1.1.1 because like having free le free numbers. Sorry. Just hover over the add mod, and click import mod, um, and that should fix all that errors. And we need a network mod, work mod, and client side required equals true, and server side required equals false. And either hover over and click import, or you can just press Control Shift O, and that should import it automatically. So the first thing we will put inside our tutorial class will be I think it's at instance, and inside these you will have the same as your mod ID, which will be in this case seto tutorial, and then public static tutorial, the name of your main class instance. Import that, and shouldn't give us any errors. And then we're just gonna have init, at init, public void load, because I like to call it that, fml initialization event, e, why not? That is that. Import both of them, and also we need a post init. So public void preload, fml post initialization event e. And just import those. And last, but we need, wait a second, it's not post init, it's pre init, sorry, and import that. And last but not least, post init, public void mods loaded, because I think you only need this for like if you need it to be compatible with other mods or something. Well, not to be compatible, because it will be compatible since we have configs and stuff, but well, if you need it to what should I say, if you need a part of another mod to use it, you will have it inside here or something like that, but I've never used it myself, so I won't do anything about that. I think that is all we need for now. So yeah, this was my first modding tutorial. I hope you liked it, and see you guys in a little bit. Bye.